4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns total. Okay, and this is spread into 3 pages, and total rows are 169. Okay, let us know how to convert it into Excel sheets. Let me first copy this. And I will paste it here as a new column. What we see, this is divided into only one column, and which is having serially spread columns. Like this is heading, this is first data, this is second data, this is third data. And let us know how to do it. First I will type this A1. Next is A2. I will type XA2. Next is A3. XA3. I will just do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This has been one row. Now XA9, XA10, XA11. Now then I will give a shortcut like this, and this is spread into 169. There it is. 69. Now just I'll press Ctrl plus H, and I'll remove this X into equal to. Now see, all the contents of this single column have been distributed into tables. Just let me adjust it. And now this is, you can see this is formula, and value